Hello to all machine knitting enthusiasts. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to work with one of my tools, the Modular Cast-On Comb. You can purchase it in my Etsy shop, My Creative Land Design. I'll leave the link to the shop in the description down below. Soon it will also be available on my website, where you'll find even more bonuses. The comb set consists of 4 parts that are joined together using plastic connectors. A spare connector is also included in the kit. To make it easier for you to connect the combs, I've created a special wrench. Please keep in mind that these parts are plastic, so you shouldn't apply excessive force when tightening the screw to avoid stripping the thread. Another new feature is that there are no metal rods in these combs. You can finally forget about that wire that constantly bends, breaks, doesn't go in straight, and always gets lost. Instead, all the combs are laced with an elastic band using Olga Kochergina's method. It's convenient to use and store, and it's easy and cheap to replace if damaged. Simply connect the exact length of combs you need for your specific project. You don't need to unlace or remove the elastic band before you start working. We always begin with waste yarn. Using a needle pusher, bring every other needle forward on the knitting machine. By the way, you can also find needle pusher sets for various knitting machines in my shop. Carefully hang the comb onto the selected needles. Pull it down slightly with your hand so it doesn't interfere with the carriage, or attach a few small weights. Set the tension dial on your carriage to the maximum. The larger stitches will make knitting the first row much easier. Knit a few rows with the waste yarn. 2 to 4 rows will be plenty. Now we can swap the waste yarn for our main project yarn. Bring all the needles into the working position and cast on just like you normally would. After that, simply knit as usual. Once you've finished knitting your piece and removed it from the machine, all that's left to do is carefully cut the waste yarn and pull it out. The elastic band will stay perfectly in place, and your comb is ready to be used again. Please keep in mind that the elastic cord may wear out or get damaged over time. However, replacing it is quick, easy, and most importantly, very affordable. Happy knitting!